Hey guys, I don't want my lawnmower on the garage floor. I want it up on the wall. Check it out, you're gonna love it. Isn't that awesome? Here we go. I love it. So this isn't really going to work for a gas-powered mower because you'll get gas and oil all over the floor. That probably wouldn't work. This particular mower is a Cobalt and it's a battery-powered. You just got to get the battery out before you move it because that's just a safety precaution. Get that out of there. And then this mower's got a really nice feature of being able to collapse the handle. And that's really important for this installation too. Okay, so that collapses very nicely. And then I got a couple of pieces of tape on the wall over there, so I know where to line it up. And then I just lift it up close to the wall and pull it out like that, and it goes in place. Now, to get it off, what you want to do is you want to be sure you don't put your hand inside here because you might get it crushed. So you pull the wheels back a little bit, grab hold of it here, push, and then grab that, and you can bring it down. All right? All right, so these hooks are right by the wheels. This particular mower has a nice place for the hook to go right here. And then there's one on the other side as well. It goes right there. So, you just go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something and you grab these hook connectors. They're lag bolts, they go into wood, so you need to drill a pilot hole in there to get them in there. It's got this plastic covering on the top. I just ran it through here a couple of times and it already trashed up the plastic, so I got some duct tape on there to hold that in place.